Welcome to Smart Earnings, your trusted partner for quick, insightful, and actionable analysis of earnings calls and financial results. Earnings calls are a direct window into a company's performance, strategies, and future potential. They help investors like you make smarter, well-informed decisions. Our mission is simple: to save you time and deliver insights that matter. Powered by AI, we decode complex financial data and transform it into concise, meaningful reviews of key metrics, management commentary, and market trends. We focus on NSE and BSE-listed companies across all market caps and sectors, bringing you the most important financial metrics and trends. With year-over-year and quarter-over-quarter comparisons, presented visually through clear tables and dynamic charts, Smart Earnings makes understanding results easier than ever. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a financial enthusiast, or just starting out, Smart Earnings helps you cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters for smarter investment decisions. From financial metrics to market triggers and sentiment analysis, we cover what drives stock performance all in one place. And as we grow, we'll bring you even more tools and insights to stay ahead in your investing journey. Discover concise, AI-powered summaries of top companies across sectors, designed to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. Subscribe now to Smart Earnings and join a growing community of informed investors. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow investors, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest insights. Join us on this journey to make investing smarter, simpler, and more informed with Smart Earnings.